All right, guys, so I'm here at Target, and I usually just come to Target, for household stuff, things like that. Let's see, because I know they sell food here. We got protein bars. They got a great um, protein selection. If you're ever looking for that, that's where I get a lot of my protein chips. And also, if you come to the meat area, the little grocery area that they have is pretty small, but man, there's some good options in here. I said, you know what, I got to make a video on this one. Got to show y'all this one because there are some great options in here. If you're just looking for a quick and healthy lunch, dinner ideas, check this out. I mean, I'm pretty surprised. Target, I mean, it's not a big area. However, they do have some good options. So let's go through some of the options that they have. Hopefully some of these will help you out. I'm looking forward to going home and making some of these and check it out. Now, first up, I'm always looking for ground beef. So they do sell, the leanest that I found here at Target is 93. I like to get 96 if I can, but 93 will work as well. So they do have the ground beef. It's actually a great price. I'm pretty surprised. I also found if you don't feel like taking that and making some burger patties or something, some people just don't like, rolling them up, smashing them down. They also sell them with the patties. Still the 93 lean. That's totally fine. Look at that. You got 4 patties in here. You can easily cook these. These patties are so quick to cook. Make you a quick hamburger, or you can make you a burger bowl if you want to watch the carbs, or you can use like a keto thin bun if you want, and make it higher protein. Just whatever you want to do, but it's super easy. Check that out. So 93 lean, and they also have them pre-made for you. So there you go. No excuses. This is a super quick and easy meal. You got to check this out. Okay, if you're looking for organic beef, they also have organic beef. The lowest I found on this one is 90% lean. Totally fine, don't worry about it. The fats in here aren't gonna hurt you. But if you're like, oh, I only eat organic meat, I found some here for you at Target. Check it out. All right, guys, check out these 2 options. Sirloin steak strips. They're already cut up for you. Look at that. 24 grams of protein in a serving. So let's see here. Serving size 4 ounces is going to give you 24 grams of protein. Season it however you want. These things cook quick, okay? And if you don't feel like seasoning, check this out. Teriyaki beef, okay? Already seasoned for you, okay? Same thing. Coming in at 4 ounces, 21 grams of protein, okay? Already seasoned, no excuses. Check this one. Actually, I'm going to take this one home. I'm going to make this one. We'll see what I'm gonna do with it. You can pair it with some rice. You can, you know what? I might make some tacos out of it because I love making tacos. Sirloin beef, teriyaki beef, sirloin tacos. That could be what's for lunch. Let's see. Oh, and another thing. See how it says $11.99. This is 4 meals. Okay. There's 4 servings in here at 21 grams of protein each. So this is 4 meals for you. All right. So don't let that price. Oh, that's a lot of money. This and that. Think about how much stuff is at a fast food restaurant when you're getting a burger, fries, and a drink. Okay, you can make 4 meals out of this, and 4 different meals if you want healthier option. And yes, it's $11.99, but it's all good if you think about it like that. All right, guys, look, check this out. If you need some quick meals, boy, Target's got you covered here. They're Good and Gather brand. This is a shredded rotisserie chicken that you just stick this joker in the microwave for 2 minutes and you got shredded rotisserie chicken. You know how many meals you can make, different kind of meals you can make with shredded rotisserie chicken? I mean, you cannot beat this. Let's see here. Let's see, 3 ounces. It's coming in at 25 grams of protein for 3 ounces of shredded chicken. You can make all kinds of stuff. 2 minutes in the microwave. That's one of the quickest meals. I mean, I'm telling you. And look, we got grilled chicken breast strips, grilled fajita breast strips. Come on now. Grilled Cajun style. What? Target coming through. Seasoned pulled pork in bourbon barbecue sauce. Target. Man, coming in. Golly, that just looks good. Man, and you just put these in a microwave and they're ready. There's no more excuses. Come on now. Hold up. Target even has skewers. Target has skewers. Real talk. This is crazy. 2 skewers, 120 calories, 22 grams of protein. 2 skewers. What's the excuse? There is no more. Even the picture looks good. Look at that. If you need a meal idea, just look at the picture. Look at that. Throw with some rice. some veggies. There you go. Lunch, dinner, no more excuses. Come on, we got to eat better. I'm telling you. Look, I don't know if you see it up here. Somebody named Kevin also has a cilantro lime chicken. He's got a Korean barbecue chicken up there, a roasted garlic chicken, teriyaki style beef. Kevin coming through. Don't know who Kevin is, but he's got his own version of it. And so if you don't want to go with the Target brand, you can also roll with Kevin, because it looked like Kevin's got some ready-made meals in 5 minutes. All right, so can't believe I'm getting excited about food that I found at Target. I'm looking for a side for that. So let me go check over here. Let's see what they got in the yogurt cottage cheese department. All right, here's the yogurt. They got the 4-pack of ratios. Come on now, 4-pack of strawberry. Any flavor ratio is great. I always talk about these. Hopefully you've tried them. Hopefully you put these into your routine. They're so good, so easy. 25 grams of protein per serving. You cannot beat that. I mean, I've showed you different ways, mixing some fruit, some honey. I mean, just eat them alone, put them on rice cakes. It's just too easy. Come on. Another good option to side with your meat, to side with your microwavable meat. These salad kits are great. Okay, these will help fill you up. You put this along with that salad. I'll tell you what, why don't you take one of these, all right, cook that meat, put the meat on top of the salad. There you go. That's a gigantic plate. It will fill you up. So if you want to, you can do like half a bag with a serving or two, however much protein you want to get of meat, and then do that for lunch or for dinner, or have 2 dinners today and tomorrow, or lunch, or however you want to do it. But you could split it up. Okay, get you one of these bags here. They got everything you need in the salad. Just watch out for the dressing. You always want to check on the dressing, because that's where you can get a lot of your unwanted calories and fats and stuff like that. Put the meat on top of it. You get your salad, you get your protein, and I'm guaranteed you're gonna like it. Just try this out. You have to try different things out and add them to what you eat a day to change your eating habits, and you will see changes. You will make changes. So Target also has fruit. If you need fruit, they got grapes. I mean, with the mango, look at that. And the pineapple, that's your sweet tooth right there. Knock it out. Get you some pineapple. Get you some mango. Sweet tooth is gone. You also got the chunks, if you like the chunks, mango chunks. That's pineapple chunks. Guys, I'm telling you, there's no more cheeses. Come to Target, look at this. Remember I was talking about the cottage cheese? The one I highly recommend, the one I use all the time. Good Culture cottage cheese, 19 grams of protein right there. You have 1 serving of that meat. Let's say you make some teriyaki beef tacos. 1 side of this, that's your protein right there. Look how small that is, 19 grams of protein, and they taste good. I'm telling you, best tasting cottage cheese I've ever tried is Good Culture. I highly, highly recommend these if you can find them. If your store carries them, check these out, okay? So yeah, man, if you're looking for great options, ideas when you're at Target, if there's a Target close and you're hungry, don't go to a fast food place. Go check out Target first, and then come in here with the mind state of, I'm about to make the healthiest choices possible. Think about protein first, so you're gonna get your protein out the way, and then kind of fill in everything else. Make sure you're tracking everything. MyFitnessPal, that's what I use. It's free, check it out. But make sure you're putting everything in there, and you can have a lunch. You can go across the street and go get something. You're not gonna feel good. It's gonna cost you about 1,000 to 1,500 calories. And you're not gonna feel good about yourself. You're gonna be tired, you're gonna be all that. Or you can come walk into a Target and head to the grocery section. You don't even have to head to the protein, where they sell the protein bars and all that. You can do that as well. Try to come to the grocery section and check that out. Make some healthy options. You will feel better about yourself. And you just have to make these different choices, okay? Because when you're eating better, you feel better, all right? Food equals mood. So if you eat good, you're gonna feel good, all right? So let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any questions or suggestions, which I can do, I'm gonna go home and I'm about to cook up that teriyaki beef. I'm sure it's gonna taste good. I'm excited about that one. So let me know in the questions, like, subscribe, appreciate everything. And we'll see you next time. Let's keep getting better. Come on.